Hi, I'm Ben Bouchard from GW Plastics. I'm Vice President of International Business Development and Managing Director, China. I've been with GW Plastics for over 20 years. In our automotive business, we focus on tight tolerance electromechanical devices. This is one of the unseen parts in your fuel system. It looks simple, but has some very difficult tooling challenges driven by the geometry that's available within the fuel tank for this part. This is a part that has some very tight tolerances that are directly related to the functional fuel system that keeps your car going every day. This is another example of an unseen part within the vehicle. It has terminals that both drive the fuel pump, but perhaps even more importantly, the fuel gauge, so you know when you're about to run out of gas. It looks very simple from the outside. You turn it over and you see a lot more of the functional requirements. Very tight tolerances and surface finish requirements on this flange edge to meet government EPA requirements. The tolerances on this part directly relate to the amount of hydrocarbons that your car emits. And as you might expect, there's some very tight government regulations on hydrocarbon emissions. By using cavity pressure transducers, we can establish the most robust process, the process that has the least relationship between outside variables, such as temperature or material viscosity, and the finished part dimensions. By establishing that robust process, it's also very repeatable. Once we get into production, we will use cavity pressure technology, our scientific injection molding approach, to monitor the production process. So we will use the same technology in the grooming process as we use in the production monitoring process. Any grooming plan has to take into consideration all of the other related dimensions to assure that we result in a product that meets all the customer requirements. And that's not easy to do. We see all sorts of customer programs, parts, and requirements. Bring your complex program to GW Plastics for a complete solution.